Welcome guys, good morning. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, happy Friday times. Good to see you, chat. Good to see you, everyone. Are you ready for another hopefully great session? We're gonna trade some juicy accounts today with daily payouts. We've reached that stage, guys. So excited for the Friday. And not expecting to be different than what happened the whole week. Look at that. This is my big belly Lucid account. Yesterday, by the way, we finished $12,000. We had to do it. We had to do it. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Thank you. Good evening, good day. Good evening, good day. Wow, look at that green tea stuff going around. Have a good one. Have a good one. What are we up to with Nasdaq? What are we up to? Bunch of levels here. Let me share with you on the 15 minute, guys. Been choppy here for the past quite a few hours. But this is gonna be a very interesting day. Look at a 15-minute approach. No worries, all good, buddy. Day trader, all good. Enjoy your day. Alright guys, so before we get started, make sure to share this presentation in all the trading groups. Come on, let's go. All the trading groups, Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, pretty much everywhere. Invite. Sharing 300k today on the stream giveaways. You got to fill up the form. We had a big day yesterday with a bunch of guys failing to fill up the form and losing the chance, and on top of that, lying. 28,300s. 28,300s. We're talking about today's low, slightly below the daily opening. Look at that. The gap between the daily opening and today's low is just 17 points. This is rarely happening. We got rejected by the weekly and the daily VWAP, guys. It's not a good sign. 300s are on the table. If you're losing yesterday's high, which kept us nicely, few rejections. This is trading by the book. Few rejections there, and then market bouncing, giving 200 points. Trading by the book. Look at that yesterday's high pivot. Yeah. Sometimes it works, trading by the book. But only sometimes. Last month's low, last week's low, down to 200s. It's gonna be volatility, which is a non-stop tape since the new FOMC chairman. Good to see you guys. I mean, it's hard to say if this level is going to be lost today. Yesterday's high, 414. If you're bouncing here, you can attack today's high. It's hard to say at this point the way the markets will react on a yesterday's high, 414. If you use yesterday's high, then obviously your target should be the 300s, and that's 115 points, which is a good profit. Yeah, that might be a good one. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Remember, we're talking about Happy Friday is usually $300,000. You gotta smash the like. Anything can happen. Anything can happen on a Friday, and usually anything can happen on any day. The thing is, you gotta take these meaningful steps. Meaningful steps on a micro analysis. That's what you gotta do. You want to see what happens at 50 points lower, you gotta wait for the market to reach that level before you can actually speculate on accuracy. That's the thing that's missing, the accuracy, a universal form of non-subjectiveness. When you want to talk about a price action that's 200 points away from you, you can have it right by guessing, but it's not knowledge most of the time. It is a blind guess or simply a guess based on facts. You are not right. It's impossible to call it that way when we talk about hundreds of points. That's the reality. That's the reality. I mean, we're gonna ask people from Monday in a different form. You guys will see it. Alexandru, you guys will see it differently. Easiest Friday, that's good. Well, the weekly rejection with the daily VWAP there makes it nice. You want to see something, guys. You want to see something here that's relevant. We're bouncing basically on the VWAP nicely on the 5-minute picture and then getting rejected, right? So converting from a converting from a support into resistance, from demand into supply. And on top of that, we had the weekly opening on the 500s. So for a Friday price action, the Monday's opening is significant and it's meaningful, not that meaningful for a Tuesday or Wednesday. The more we dive into the week and the more price action we have, which reacts on certain levels during the week, it becomes reliable and strong. So the weekly opening there on Fridays is a good sign. You get rejected by that, it's not the best thing, guys. Elsh Boldigan, which account is static and have payouts daily? Well, that's exactly what I'm trading. I got my funded account here. Let me share with you with Blusky, the one we made yesterday, the buffer. So let me send you first the links for those of you on Blusky. First, you have to sign up. Here's the link. You got to be part of our team. Good evening, good day. I'm going to respond to your questions quite soon. So first things first. The accounts that we were trading are the Propel accounts. 200k static drawdown. 3% target for the profit goal. And then we made the buffer. 3,000. We actually made the buffer finalizing our last day yesterday. Then you get the buffer. You get this 3,000 that you made. And you trade with this buffer without consistency and daily payouts. Anything above it. Look at that one, guys. Here's the account. 3,000. Anything we do above this 3,000 without consistency goes in our pocket if we request a payout. And I'll request a payout. I'm going to try longing it here. I like that price action, guys. I'll do 10 micros. Anything we earn right now, look at that. If we do $100 right now, we can take it out. And we can request daily payouts and no consistency. That's the Propel account. The discount and the coupon code is Scrembo30 for the Propel. Unlimited users, 30% off. Scrembo30. No activation fee for Propel. Let's see, guys. Are we going to react here, or do we go to 200 EMA yesterday's high, considering it's close to us 414. It is a major level. I guess the market is feeling attracted by that. We'll have to see, but this is a very important day. Very important day. Right, so for Blusky we have 3 codes. It's the only company we have 3 codes. For all the other we have the Scrembo, the classic Scrembo. But for Blusky we have 3 codes. Scrembo, Scrembo 30 and Scrembodirect for their instant funding. Yeah. Their system is a little bit different. If I don't like this, if the reaction is missing, I'm gonna get out of this. Although we have that purple line on yesterday's high, which is quite attractive, but I wouldn't like to have a hit of so many points against my trade. Look at that, guys. I got in 15 contracts, 15 micros. Feeling good about this. This is like trading a personal fund right now, $3,000. Look at that. I'm out. 233 profit. Let's celebrate this, guys. I could take 233 profit right now. I could take this money out. I'm not gonna take just 233. I hope just. I'm gonna take more. But I'm giving you the example. 233. I can stop trading. I can take this 200 bucks and go for a pizza. Look at that one. It's like trading personal resources. You got this one? You got this one, guys? This is exactly the way it's going to be on my Lucid daily accounts. We just don't have Lucid. Pizza and tips. Right, so the daily payouts accounts are something else. It's like trading personal funds. It's a whole different level. Which is how I want to get to my Lucid Daily. We have a few accounts on Lucid Daily with touching the 50%. Right, so the remaining 50% is needed. Halfway through Lucid Daily. Right now it's going through massive discounts. Remember, guys, for Lucid. Remember, those prices will change and they will go up. Load up as many as possible from Lucid Daily. The link is right there. You know, the max discount. What's the code? Scrembo's the code, which also brings luckiness, not just about trading. FundedSeat as well. Yesterday we touched the payout level. We got some fresh evaluations of their ultra accounts. I'm gonna make a video about it and explain you. Exactly, Lucid coming up with a mobile app. Indeed. Yeah. Now, it's going to be a huge company, guys. You'll see Lucid in 2 years from now. It's going to be something unbelievable. Crossing 1 million traders. It's just nuts the way the whole thing goes. Unbelievable. So if they paid out close to 500 million, and I can refresh their page and see if they didn't touch, paid to traders $400 million. It's gonna be 1 billion probably by the end of the year. So 600 million or 500 million, what's left? You guys do not tell me you're not gonna take out 50 grand. Each and one of you from that, $500,000. Maybe not 50 grand till the end of the year, about 25,000. 5,000 a month. Pure profits, net profits. So having daily payouts is something else, and with Lucid is going to be a Massive opportunity. I feel nice about this $233 knowing I can take it out. How much for a Lucid daily? 25k. I mean, depends on a Lucid daily. End of the day with daily loss limit 85, but it's not worth the 25k. The distance between a 25k and a 50k is just $30. 30. So it's not worth it. For 30 bucks extra, you get 1,000 drawdown extra. Well, right now, Lucid, Nishukla, Lucid by far. Here's the tape, guys, for every single trader, for every single one of you. Max out Lucid on 5 accounts. And then max out the next firms on 5 accounts. Exactly, Roy. Daily. So the form needs to be filled up daily because it refers to the giveaways of the day. Each day is having a new round of giveaways different from the previous, and we're having a new link. Oh, look at that. Jake is back in business. Good day, good morning. Badger is not here today. He's having a good time. He's having a little holiday. I'm testing out a little long here, guys, of 10 micros. Come on. Can we get something stronger here? For some pizza money today, we're having daily payouts. What chart system do I use? I use TradingView for my analysis with all the indicators we have there. Five minute, 1 minute, 4 hours, 1 hour daily. I do the analysis on all of them. What is the minimum payout on Blusky? 500 or 250? One of that two. Alex, 500 or 250. Here's the link, guys, to sign up on Blusky. First, you gotta need an account, and you need that to be part of our team to benefit of all the great advantages. The form should fill up without problems. If it says you already fill up, then that's the situation. Yeah. Build that buffer and then go daily payouts, no consistency. I don't like this trade so far. The risk for yesterday's high, 414, is increasing the more we sit here. The more we sit here without double, triple green candle in a row, the risk of falling is increasing. But they could also keep the price at this level without taking it lower, just to have some other lovely shorts accumulating, and then it squeezes them with a nice swing high. That's also another theory. And we could say theories like this non-stop, but we will never know exactly 100% which one of this will function. That's why risk management is what makes a difference. Nah, take profit trader is way worse. Way worse. We're not trading there. Oh, look at that. Nevada is banking daily payouts on his Lucid daily. Oh, oh, oh. Congratulations, buddy. Seeing a little bit here, guys. In this candle. Supposed to have the next candlestick green with some juice inside. Look at that. Do not tell me this one we're trading has to be red again. You know, I'll have some exit limit orders there. You know, I'm gonna sit out of this. If they're doing nasty to me, I'm gonna sit out of this. I can tell you that. Come on, beautiful. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Stop loss break even. I sold 5 more. So I'm only having 5 contracts open. I'm leaving this whole thing active. I'm not gonna fully exit. We're having $513, guys, for the first day. We're gonna take that money out. This is not just a pizza. This is a little more, guys. Oh, $513. Look at that one. This is continuing. Yes, I'm out. 786 fireworks. Oh. 786, guys. Oh my gosh, 786 first day. First day, no consistency, daily payouts. Is this the way it's going to be on my Lucid as well? Is this the way? The account balance is only 3,000 because you get the buffer you earn. This was the buffer. This was. You get the buffer you earn and you trade on daily payouts and no consistency with the buffer you've made. Right? So you get the buffer and you trade it. Exactly. And Lucid is even better. Els Boldegun. I'll make a video comparing Lucid with Take Profit Trader. Yeah. Where Take Profit Trader is taking 80%, 80 to 20 on the payout. It's needing 4 or 5 days for the evaluation, right? But let me tell you, 786 secured. First trade winning on Friday is rare on daily payouts. This account was the 200k static. This one, Propel. Propel, 200k static. Let me show you once again, guys, for Blue Sky. Here's the link for those of you. Scrembo 30 is the code for Propel. Unlimited users, 30% off. Look at that. We traded 3% profit goals, $6,000. We started with a 2,000 static, which means the max loss is 198 and it never changes. We made a 6,000. You can see the whole journey on the stream in the previous sessions. Usually in the first part of the streaming, we're on the Blue Sky. Then we had to do the buffer, 3,000. So we restarted trading with 200k, made a 3,000 buffer. We had a 3,000 against 2,000 loss, and that's a very comfortable situation. Very comfortable situation. We made that. We actually made that yesterday. And today we started trading the buffer we made. 3,000. With daily payouts and no consistency. And we made 786. And guess what? I'm gonna stop trading this one. Or maybe should I go for the 1,000? But what happens when you're too greedy? I mean, what is too greedy for me? What is it, guys? No one is buying the 25k accounts. Like, no one has to worry about a 25,000 comparison because we got hundreds of sales. And we see that. No one is caring about the 25k accounts. It's 3%, 4% of users are going 25k. 4%, maximum 4%. 3%, even less than that probably. You got to do for consistency, Nishukla. You got to do the money for consistency, but you got to consider. You got to consider what's the money you made today? What's the money you made today? You don't want to cross today your maximum day, right? So do not have a new maximum day with the money you're making today, because you got to do that value. Nishukla, what's the maximum you have today? If I trade all day, so if I lose this 786, if I lose this, I'm going to be aggressively tilting. Probably I'm going to stop trading this one and take this money out. It's the first daily payout, no consistency account on Blusky we're trading for daily payouts. I'll take this money. We spent some with Blusky. We got to take some money back, guys. We're going to go second payout for a bigger value. But first payout, let me take some money back. We're down. Top 1 future is legit. Yeah, it's really legit. We've been trading top 1 futures since early April 2025, buddy. Since it has been created, it's extremely good. No, it's not 1,000 max drawdown, Alex. No. You know what's my max loss here? Until the balance is reaching $100. So Nishukla, you can do $75 extra. You can do that today. You have to do it if you want to request payout today. You have to do it. I'll take this money, 786. I'm gonna go ahead and stop trading and take this money out. Oh my gosh. So the max loss for this account is when the balance is hitting $100. Alex Herman. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We're going to trade some FundedSeat too. We're having a good time. We're having a good time. You see, these rejections are the reason why I'm going to stop trading today on this account. 786. I mean, do you mind if I take 786 daily? You're not gonna mind that. Why would you say this is baby money? It's not. It's like trading a personal account. I'm not having a such comparison video, but I can help you with any of your insights. So if you're looking daily payouts, no consistency, Lucid is coming out. I'll do a video, Lucid versus Take Profit Trader soon, guys, probably during the weekend or something like that. Yeah, we're gonna have a video posted on the weekend about something. Paying without problems on all these companies we're trading. I wanted to do the math here, so I'm gonna... Can you have a screenshot, guys, to this? Have a screenshot to this one, guys. And put a screenshot on ChatGPT. So have a screenshot of this trading panel. Put a screenshot on ChatGPT and ask, what is the statistics? What are the statistics, right? What's the outcome? Are we in profit or are we in loss for this month? Then you guys ask ChatGPT to do that for me. Do a screenshot, upload it as attachment, and call it to do the math for this account. How are we sitting after we lost 148 on the 2nd of July and 92 on the 20th? How are we sitting? Are we still down on this? That's the Lucid scenario. End of the day, you can select end of the day basically for the Lucid. Lucid daily, end of the day, you can switch off or turn on your daily loss limit as you prefer. Well, the Lucid daily scenario is there, and we're hooked up with some nice discounts on that one. Are we in profit 24? 800s? Are you sure? 24 800s in profit? So $25,000 in profit? After losing 148 in a day, 34 in another, and 92 in the other in the same month? Still in profit? $25,000? Yeah, I think Blue Sky has some restricted countries. It has Hedge Trader. It has a list. Frequently you ask questions. Maybe general questions. Or maybe you can Google Blue Sky restricted countries and Google, and you get that. That's insane, guys. $25,000 in profit with losses of 148, 34, 35, and 92. Hedge Trader, you want to Google that. It has, yes, it has restricted countries. But you want to Google Blue Sky Trading restricted countries and you get the article. Let me see if I can look up to that. Yeah, let me send you the link. Welcome. This is wild, guys. If you remember, I told you on the very next streaming after the 148 loss, a lot of the guys were having fun, thinking we're gonna be in the mud. Well, look at that. On the 6th, I told you the objective for July is to recover from 148 loss. And then we had another 35, we had another 92. And as you say, we're in profit. You want to try Lucid, you want to try FundedSeat, Hash Trader. If not, then tap on futures. And they also have Savius. Lucid Daily is available for everyone, yes. What do you mean it's deleted? Deselected? We're gonna trade some FundedSeat. 786, guys, let me have that message up. I like that. 786 secured. Good morning, buddy. We're having that one secured, 786. It's time to open up Quant Tower and start working on some Lucid Daily. I am Lucid might be an option, or FundedSeat. What do you mean the platform button cannot be selected? TS. Drop me a screenshot on Discord. Join our Discord, I can help you. Here's the link, guys, for Discord community. You gotta be part of if you want to join our giveaways and have fun. I'm trading the funded stage. Look at this. Oh. I will be testing out a short from here for my FundedSeat. I'm testing a short from here, guys. Exactly. Temporary restrictions. Temporary. Not many people with Lucid Direct, Nathan. Not many people. And there's not many people around trade day as well, because we have everything we need on the other firms we're working with. Watch out here. The market is forcing for a breakout above the 500s. So depends. There's still 40 seconds to go of this candle. I would not hurry up to make judgments like that with a breakout. I'm going to DCA in my short because I am stubborn. $680. Maybe for the New York session. But I only need 10-20 points down here. Knife art. You know, for a happy Friday, they could offer that. Yeah, we secured a payout, Jake. We secured a payout. Yesterday was payout day. Today is payout day. Oh, I forgot to ask my payout from FundedSeat. I forgot to ask my payout from FundedSeat. Alright, guys, let me do that. We're having our $105,000 here, guys. We qualified yesterday. 105k. We got to take the payout from here. Look at that one, guys. We qualified yesterday. Oh, let me do this. This is not going to remain like this. Unacceptable. Alright. Let me go ahead and do it. Ha 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 ha. Withdraw. Total available. Ready to request. Select the account. Instant funding bolt. Available. 2,000. Submitting. Congratulations. Your power request for 2,000 is in. We'll review it and confirm. Alright, buddy. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah. Beautiful, but I don't like this breakout here. And I have cut partially. We touched the algo. I only cut partially. Thank you. They already caught my money, 2,000, we're 103. They caught my 2,000, so I'm second cycle. You know, guys, I'm second cycle on this FundedSeat. Second cycle. I have no consistency and I do daily payouts for this FundedSeat. Whatever we earn today on this FundedSeat, I can cash it out. I told you we're having two accounts with daily payouts. The FundedSeat we qualified yesterday for the payout because we're dealing with second cycle starting with today. And our Blusky. The Blusky is 786 profit and I'll take that out. I'm wondering, guys, for a possible retracement here. Have they said in my short? If they do it ugly on me, I'm gonna be out. I put my stop loss there. Not really a good candle, I see this one. Yeah, it touched me. We haven't lost the account. Let me trade my daily payouts. This one, 103. Plus the Lucid ones we gotta trade. Because we gotta bring Lucid daily to fund that stage. It's good we have exited a little bit earlier. This is still running, crossing borders here. Wow. What a blast. What a blast are they having. What a blast. That's a little weird, not touching yesterday high. 15 points away. A little weird. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We gotta touch the likes in time. We have an hour and 5 minutes to go. We gotta touch the 180 likes in time for the giveaways. Remember that. Exactly. I can only take everything above 786. Everything. And the max loss is 2,900. So from 3,000. So the account is breached and failed when the balance is touching $100. Basically all the buffer. So for Lucid Daily, this account, guys, for Lucid Daily, this one is 4,400. If we do another 4,400 today, we're going to have it funded. We're going to have our first Lucid Daily funded. I know some of you got to nice payouts already from Lucid Daily, a few grand. And that's great. I'm happy to hear that. I mean, the prop space is leading right now to a model and environment of trading. It's so competitive, guys, the prop space, in order for these prop firms to survive on continuous sales and demand and all that stuff. They have to create better and better plans, modules, services, products, coming out to the stage of daily payouts, no consistency. If you had said 6 months ago that we're going to trade in a daily payouts, no consistency environment, no one would believe you. No. There are still a lot of the firms today that will tell you this is not possible for the crypto. I mean, for the prop firms to deliver, to offer you this environment and be sustainable. That's what they will say. It's not possible to be sustainable with that. Interesting. If you would tell me I'm going to trade in daily payouts, no consistency environment 6 months ago, no way. Well, we gotta pass. We gotta pass. Very interesting, guys, the way the whole thing changed. Testing out a short from here. 4-minute short, guys. We got to do 4,000 on this account. 4,500. If the buying pressure is here, obviously I'm gonna leave the boat. I'm out here for the moment. 196. Nothing special, but it's not yet convincing for the shorts. Yeah. Not convincing. We'll see what does the 5-minute algo brings onto the table. Yes, Lim. You have to select. So someone is on our Discord. Ooh. Sorry for that one, guys. Someone. This is what I feared from the way the candlesticks were. It's just 46 away, 46 points away, we up. Right on the weekly opening. So we're gonna try to make some money on FundedSeat as well, guys. We got daily payouts there too. We're second cycle instant funding bolt. We have no consistency. This was an instant funding account. 5% target, 20% consistency on the first cycle. And then second cycle, you no longer have consistency and you got daily payouts. So this is really attractive. Five-minute algo is happening in 20-25 seconds. Remember, guys, starting by Monday, the giveaways will no longer be held at the end of the stream. We're gonna do them throughout and during the live stream. Randomly between my trades. And here's the push that I'm gonna short. 8-minute short. Yeah, 8-minute short on this algo movement. Shorting it on my FundedSeat too. I like this. I like this. I'm out from my FundedSeat, 71 bucks. The rejection is not as I expected. Let me see the next candle. If I get something red, I'm gonna be out. I'm gonna be out here. I'll take 647 loss. Yeah, not an issue. I'll have to take that. I did expect that a stronger movement from the bears. That was not delivered, so I'm out. No, it's not about the way it works. Make sure to fill up the form, guys, for the giveaways. You don't want to miss out. 300 yen, 300 grand. Not about today works. You filled up the form 2 minutes after you won the giveaway. I got the records. If you want me to shame on you, I can post these things on Discord. So don't say today, hope today it works. Yesterday you filled up the form 2 minutes after you've won the giveaway. And during all these 2 minutes, you were writing in the chat that you were 100% filling it up. 100% I did, 100% I did, 100% I did. How do you expect? We got all the records. It's crazy. You never do this, and if you do this, you never do this. You never do this thing. And you don't come up next day and say, hope today it works. It works every day if you're fair. If you don't lie, it works every day, buddy. Damn. Exactly. 1 minute to go. We've got FBI here next to me. It's all recorded. There's no such a thing, I did it, but you can't see it. I can always see it. I can see every detail. Ten seconds to go. Lucid Direct. That speaks volume about characters. Here we are, guys. Opening bell. I am wondering. Oh. A little drawdown. Well, if you don't fill up, you're assuming the risks. But you never come out and say, boys, we got the records. One should be ashamed about this silly things. We're not 6 years old, and 4 and 3. We're not playing games with candies here. Damn, everything is recorded with the technology. What do you expect, guys? Wow. This is interesting because it has shrunk. Yeah, it was. We made money yesterday, good money. We basically reached payout with FundedSeat. We passed the buffer with Blusky. Oh, look at that, 12 AC's back. Older, but not wiser. He's back after having 2 weeks of missing. And now he's expecting to take your giveaways. We only reward loyal community members. That's the new rule. Oh my gosh, guys, what a movement. I haven't traded. I couldn't trust along here. Especially in this form. But I'm going to trust a short from this today's high established. And I'm going to scalp. I'm going to scalp. Giveaways and bad mouthing. You can win YRMs. Other than that, oh my gosh. The most important thing for July has been achieved. This is the one. This is the most important thing, guys, for July. You've done the math earlier. I'm in a short, but I'm going to get out. I was expecting with the cross of today's high to see a minor pullback, which is not yet happening. We'll see the next candle. The spite. The spite. So you guys see the numbers on the 2nd of July, $148,000 loss. 1535,000 on the 2092,000. Despite all the 3 big losses, we finished the month on $28,000 profit. Oh my gosh, I gotta cut it away. This is so silly, Friday's price action here. Not yet 500, but we had to clear huge losses this month, right? 90 plus, 145, 30. We have a daily loss limit on this one. We got stopped out 2,700. Unbelievable, guys. We straight up pumped. Yeah, crying because of the numbers. We're going to focus on the trading and stop talking about the giveaways discussion of yesterday, AD. Like I said, I can post the messages you put in chat that you filled up, and your records have 2 minutes after filling up the form. I don't want to ashame you more than you should be filling for this kind of lies. When you don't fill up the form, it's simple. Accept the reality and move on. I'm having a hard time with this daily losses here. Continuing with the next one where we have a decent Lucid daily. So with those losses, we managed to become profitable for the month. And that's crazy. I'm not a big fan of this movement. Look at that. My short was there, guys. Oh my god, man. This is so silly. Can we get something for the upside? Traded FundedSeat, my daily payouts account, accepted a loss. We're down 210. Right, so daily payouts above 103. Look at that. It's coming all the way back. Our short would have functioned perfectly, guys. Yeah, they refused to deliver that. Based on the time. Wow. The short would have functioned perfectly. I'm going to repeat that. Damn sizing. Congratulations for shorting the top, buddy. I might be testing out a long. On the next candle. Come on. We made some money for our... Oh my gosh, it's not going to be easy to take this one a little higher. Yeah, we're going to touch a daily stop loss. We touch a daily stop loss. Look at that. Weekly opening 500s. No, we're good. We're having daily payouts. Oh, this is an interesting level to long it. I've DC'd to this. Rip it, guys. We're having daily payouts on this one. Let's see what we can get from the 500s. Nothing? Oh my god. Accepted a loss there. We have a daily stop loss of 1,500 on this one. We got stopped out. Look at this one, guys. Talk about Fridays. It's time to move on to my big belly accounts and see if we can do some big belly long all the way for the top. Trading the other funded too. On Lucid. Let's go, guys. 2 contracts long for this one. Right, we have 4 funded. This is why I stopped trading on my Blue Sky payout today. 786 payout. I told you I'm going to stop trading. And this is why. This is exactly why. Look at that. Yeah. We might be having a good time today if things are landing. I did want it to pass a Lucid daily today. That's what I wanted. Bouncing a little on yesterday's high. We dumped 300 points in 10 minutes. Just for you to know, that's the way it works on Fridays. We dumped 300 points. And maybe this is continuing. No green tea, only for the classy. This is a funded account. We have 4 funded. Marukyu. Sorry to hear that, Solitude. No, this is a tremendously terrible price action. That's the green tea. Marukyu. It has 300 years of history. "300 years of making green teas and many other types." From this, guys. We're gonna lose this funded too. It's over. It's gone. $400 points. So the funded is gone. We cashed out on Friday $15,000 last week from 5 funded. 2 of those 5s have been lost. We're making space for the Lucid Daily. We got 3 more. The big belly and 1 more. This is the 3rd. I get it from Japan. They are sending it with shipping company to me. They got an international shop for that. They're a loyal member for a while. Yeah, we gotta make space for daily, guys. I mean, I'm not happy losing funded accounts. I don't know. Wife is ordering these things. I got Yana too as well. Yes, yes, yes. We're 4 minutes here for this funded. Sorry, Kim, but this is extreme level of manipulation what we have here. 1,000 people. I'm out of that. 2,700 on this funded. I'm good for this. We have 162 guys. We're good with this. I'll probably take $9,000. Because we have the big belly accounts where I can easily make my minimum, right? And we got this account. Let me share with you the performance. Look at that. So in the news cycle, we have 3 days. 2 more days are needed of 250, and I can take out money. You got to take it very slow today. Markets are insane. I don't even know if I should continue to try having some Lucid daily accounts or... We have some 50,000 evaluations where we touch the daily loss limit. We have some little drawdown. For example, this is about $800 drawdown. Imagine what you can do in a $800 drawdown with minis. Oh, Maddie. I'm testing along here on this. I can't short it, guys, because I have the other 2 longs on my big belly accounts, right? I can't hedge. This is unbelievable. We lost the funded account today. We touched 3 150,000. This was the max loss touched. We touched 3 150,000 daily loss limits on Lucid Daily. And we lost a 50,000 Lucid Daily challenges. So only 1 funded has been lost. We have 3 funded left. We managed to secure a payout on my Blusky accounts that were running daily payouts and no consistency. 786 at the beginning of the streaming, and we'll take this money out. So this 786 is going to be good for today. We requested our payout from FundedSeat that we achieved yesterday. Wow, we just made a new low. This is nuts, guys. This is nuts. We have more 50k valuations. For example, this one, which is $600 away from the max loss. 50k valuation dailies. I'm out of this. 391 profit. Good. We might be able to save this. But we can't short it because we got 2 longs on the big belly. We can't hedge. It's just Friday, Fred. Happy Friday. We got 500 points down. Non-stop. I gotta find green candles for me to trade. Oh. I can't hedge and then say sorry. Exactly, Kim. That is. You gotta see these days as well when we lose some evaluations. Lost an evaluation, lost a funded, hit 3 daily loss limits of accounts that were 50% earned already. And they were all of 150k, this 3. We got a payout today. Big bellies are down, but we have a lot of money inside the big bellies. Have a pause, not a bad idea. Never a bad idea having a short-term pause. 391. I cannot short this, guys, but I'm going to be out of my big belly here. I'm out. I accepted the loss on the big belly accounts. Let me share with you. We lost $12,000. But I can finally trade differently. I just wanted to test out a 50,000. I usually on a 50,000, but I wanted to test out this daily account in 50K. Yes. So let's see if we can do 1,500 on this. On this evaluation of 50K. I'm still waiting. We have a very strong conjunction basically at our reaction point. A lot of buyers will get squeezed here. Yeah, this is an interesting reaction here that we have. You see each candle is 30-40 points minimum. What I'm watching. I'm thinking about landing 2 minis. There you go. I landed 2 minis. I'm out. 1,559. We touched the target for the consistency, guys. Come on. Oh. So we saved it. We were only $600 away, or $800 or $700 to lose this account. We saved it. Evaluation, it's 50K valuation. I gotta lose 50 bucks. Look at that. Coming all the way back. Gotta lose $50. Instead of losing, we made some. We're fine. 1,503 right now. We're fine with that, guys. We're fine. We're fine with this. I'm gonna long the big belly accounts here. 10 minis. We're already $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 up. Let's see what we can do with the other evaluations that are here. This one is having 800 bucks, $5,000 up. 800 bucks drawdown. This is another one we hit a daily loss limit at some point. 50,000 evaluation. Tap on futures is the firm will require a 10 seconds minimum. I'm going for a long here on this account. It's only 800 bucks drawdown. Evaluation. 50K daily. It's gone. See you next time. Let's go to the next one. This is having $700. I'm landing a fresh long here. Two contracts long. I'm out here, $400. Yeah, Aqua is having a ton of minutes requirements. I would just forget about Aqua. Agua. Last month slow, last week slow. 271, 227. Nasty levels, I can tell you. Two ticks, that's... Propel. I get the Propel on Blue Sky because I get the static drawdown, the new me. Static drawdown Propel accounts. $200K static is the one I've been trading nicely. That's where we reach the stage of funded with daily payouts. Oh my gosh, guys, we have a retracement here of 500 points. On a happy Friday show. You wouldn't say so, right? Oh, 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 oh. They are doing nasty things. They're doing nasty things. I'm longing 2 minutes limit order 218 for this evaluation. Missed that one by a few points. Space Jam, what do you mean with your last statement? Can you elaborate? Last week's low is 212. I'm longing 215. There you go. Let's see. $50K valuation, not having a lot of drawdown. It's about $600 or something like that. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, I'm gonna track that guy down. It's gone. Space Jam is gone. And we're gonna track him down for any other additional accounts. I'm gonna make sure he's not gonna receive any giveaways. So this is the level where we have a lot of conjunction, guys. This is insane, guys. It's even lower than 150s. Another 50k valuation. Touch 1,500. Pretty good. Yeah, dude calling me on Discord, exactly. Good job, Knifefire, good job. Oh. Indeed. So it's time for me to grab some fresh. Is it risky to grab some fresh Lucid daily accounts evaluations? I don't know. I am stuck in longs. I can't short this. I'm stuck in longs because of the big belly. I can't hedge, right? I wouldn't be able to short my fresh evils. I would be able to grab a few fresh evaluations, but I'm questioning the value behind that in this situation. I could take 3 fresh 150,000 daily. We lost 4 evaluations of 50,000 4 lost today of Lucid. I'm speaking about Lucid right now. 4 lost of 50,000. 3 daily stop loss. Have not lost those accounts, but we have small drawdown left. I mean, we have another 2,700 of 150k ones. Lost 1 funded. Got payout today. Last week we landed $15,000 from Lucid. This week we landed 2,000 from FundedSeat we requested today, and 800 will be requesting from Blusky that we made. That's a close to 18 grand, and you get 90 to 10. Yeah, payout is the best thing, daily payouts. Well, you can get confused with those 50k ones. It's not too far for my buffer. I have enough buffer to cover that. I don't think the markets are not gonna run today back. Look at that one, guys. So when this thing is turned off, right, when the selling pressure that's artificial right now is finally turned off, we're running hundreds of points back. And you know, on the Monday we're gonna be above the daily opening we had today, 317. It has been like that for the last weeks already. You have a 900 points dump in a day that's recovered in maximum 2 days. V-recovery. Exactly the new me. Propal. Propal, 200k static, daily payout above the buffer. I can take 28,000. I'm gonna grab 3 accounts, guys, of Lucid daily. 150,000. We have spots. We can't lose the day. We gotta attack. We gotta attack, basically. Plus a daily. We have to attack this. End of the day. We're taking end of the day. We're gonna attack this, guys. 3 fresh accounts of 150,000 daily. I'm grabbing. End of the day with daily loss. I'm trading right now, yes. Yes, right now. I will use them right now. We need those daily payouts from Lucid. Ho, 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 ho. We're daily payout right now on FundedSeat and Blusky. But I want to have the 2 big belly flex accounts plus 3 daily payouts. Probably I'm going to take another payout from the 3rd funded we have, which is not big belly. I'm going to take the 3rd payout from that one and then lose it. Make room and space for daily payouts. because I enjoy losing. First recovering and ending up in profit. That's why. Someone is asking me, obvious bearish, why you buy? Obvious bearish. When we lose money, it's obvious. The other side, when we earn money, it's obvious. Our side, everything is obvious in trading. Everything. Exactly. They have no idea. We recovered in July from $148,000 loss from 92 and 35. There's nothing obvious in trading. Well, that's the first rule you have to know before you touch the markets. Exactly. Even more reason to long it. Which usually on Friday might not work. And that's what we get. Let me refresh my Quant Tower for the new accounts to nicely load up. We're a little bit down there. We're a little bit down there. But as I said, when the recovery starts, it's going to involve hundreds of points. So I have 3 fresh Lucid daily of 150,000. Which I'm going to trade. My target is going to be minimum 2 hitting the 4,500. Minimum 2. And out of the 2, minimum 1 converted. You're currently learning, but there is no obvious thing. There's no obvious thing. There's no such a thing. Obvious things in trading. They're not really sounding good. And everything is obvious if you look at the price action that happened. Everything is obvious. Everything is explainable. Everything. I don't think it's going to be revenge. We'll see. They're not cheap accounts. I'm not going to plan to do that. Quite expensive. Alright guys, so here's the first one. Ready to be traded. Yeah, I think we're moving up. I'm longing it. 4 minis long. As I said, my target is going to be minimum 2 out of the 3 we got. We already have 1,700. Look at that one. Keep it going, buddy. I'm out here a little bit. 3,326, guys. At only 14k, 15k for the big value ones. We were down more than 30. Everything can be explained if we look at the price section that happened. Now I'm only going to do a single contract and double up on 2 contracts. 2 minis long. We need another 1,100. We're 2 minis long. I'm wondering if this is going to ladder up. 3 minis long. Watch out, guys. The next candle, watch out for the next candle. 246 for my exit. 246 for my exit. How is this going to land? Is it going to be 1 out of 1? First out of the first? Look at that one. The next candle. The next, this one. Oh. Keep going. Not that way. The other side. You donut. Oh. That shouldn't be a top. That should not be a top. Yeah. It's taking all my profit away. You know who's rejecting us? Last week's low, last month's low, rejecting us. Yeah, chasing this little bits, but on a market that I'm expecting to ladder. I'm expecting right now continuous laddering for the next hours. Ladder. Shorts are piling back in shorts. Shorts are piling. And we just ladder and ladder. You can rephrase your question. Thank you, Richard. We're having a good time. We're going to recover from that losses. We're going to recover. I got back 4 contracts, DC, and 1 more. $3,000 without consistency. What is your max loss? The next candle has to be green for me, otherwise I'm going to be out. Unbelievable. Unbelievable scammy, guys. Unbelievable scammy. I gotta put my stop loss there. At the bottom of that wick. I gotta put my stop loss there. I told you the next candle has to be green. It's going green. But it made another wick downside. $236 for my target, guys. Look at that. So I would target $600-700 profit per day on that one. $600-700. Look at that one. We're about to touch the target, guys, and it's going to be first. Oh yeah. Oh, there you go, guys. Celebration. We touch it. 4,500. We touch it. 4,500. 1 out of 1. 100% ratio. I told you, I'll buy 3. And we're gonna take minimum 2 out of this 3 to our 50% consistency for this Lucid Daily. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. And we're going to recover that loss as well from the big belly accounts. Do not get worried. Yeah. Oh, Parvin, good luck with that. Good luck with that. No trading today is not needed. So we're continuing with the next one, guys. We have 2 more. Two more. Everyone, make sure to join the giveaway, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We're doing the giveaway soon as I finish trading. There's 2 more we have. I'm not yet funded on that one. We just got the account. It was the first day, 50% consistency. I told you, this is laddering up. And it's going back to our levels. Minimum 317 daily opening. Minimum. And that's an easy target, guys. Easy target. I'm landing for my first contract long here in this one. 2 minis long. I think it's laddering for a continuation. I'm out here, 368, just a little bit, just a little bit. It's hard chasing, it's hard chasing. From the Lucid ones, between the Flex and Pro, I prefer Flex. But on top of the Flex, I am desiring to become great on the daily, Lucid Daily, because the potential is higher. No cap, daily payouts, and no consistency. That's a version of the Flex. An upgraded version of the Flex. With Flex, they require me 5 days. Well, Lucid Daily, I can take payouts from my first day. So I am obviously not gonna buy anything else other than Lucid Daily for this very moment. I mean, there is a cap, 8,000, 10,000, but I'm having a good time with that. I'm having a good time with that. Obviously, I was not thinking to unlimited amount of money. Well, they move you to live pretty fast if you're not losing the account. There is some price difference between the Flex and Daily, depends. Tens of dollars for the 50k, and some tens of dollars for the Daily too. I'm gonna land for another long. Oh, that was bought up a little early. That was bought up a little early. I haven't landed for my long. Look at that. Damn. That was bought up a little early. What do you mean, Fred? What do you mean? I can't short this because I'm stuck in longs from the other accounts. Yeah. If this level holds, we're gonna have a little juicy here. 2 minis long. It's not easy. Beautiful. I'm out there, lovely. 1,882, guys. 1,882 profit. We landed that one as well. Yeah, the big belly was down 30 plus. And now it's just 4,000. Look at that. $1,882 on the second account. Giveaways are starting very soon, guys, as soon as I finish with this. Daily opening 317. Yesterday's high 414 with the VWAP getting in contact right now. That's the place both are sitting. Told you, markets will slowly ladder up. That's the name of the game. I am 4 minutes long. Indeed, it's risky. I need green candles, back-to-back green candles soon. 6 minis. Let's go, guys. Just a little more. Just a little more. There you go. 4,546. Nah, I'm done with this, guys. 4,546. Game over. It's game over. 2 for 2. 2 for 2, guys. You said I'm gonna revenge. Because we had those silly 50k ones lost that we're having 600 bucks. Nah, you said I'm gonna. And now this was a complete demonstration how you control emotions you're not revenging. It doesn't mean you revenge if you trade after having losses. It doesn't mean. 2 for 2. 2 for 2. It was 2 for 2. Continuing with a third one, which I'm gonna trade while I'm gonna run giveaways. So we're gonna do 2 different things. simultaneously, trade and run giveaways. We have 2 for 2. Target has been hit. Maybe I should stop trading this one, or maybe we should go for 3 for 3. Yeah, that's good. 28,500. I'll take that. Slowly laddering up. Is the pattern. Ha ha ha. I am random clicking. B. Mopey. I am randomly clicking. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just randomly clicking, buddy. He's asking me if I am biased or long or short or buy and sell. No, I'm randomly clicking. That's what I do. Online Hub, we got multiple accounts. Obviously, we got multiple accounts. We're trading the funded big belly accounts there that you see with a big drawdown. If you short the other prop firm, well, if the firms will find out, then it's not allowed. If the firms will find out. Exactly, I'm extremely lucky. Mopey. Be with Mopey. He says, wish I was you, Scrembo. Lucky is your asset. Oh my gosh. Let me take a hammer on you. I have a hammer here for you, Topi. I fixed something here. I fixed something here today. I got my equipment. I'm taking this hammer on you. I'm taking this hammer. This is how I'm trading. Pushing the hammer. I'm gonna randomly run the hammer. So, should we continue? We should continue. Should we continue? For the third, go 3 for 3. A real one. And a kid's toy. A real one and a kid's toy. It's not or. So I am thinking, guys. If I long it here, market is dropping 50 points. If I short it, I break the rules of Lucid because I would hedge. You tell me, what should I do? If I long it, market is pulling back 50 points. If I short it, I lose the accounts. Violating the rules. Thank you. As we speak, guys, market is pulling back. As we speak. So I'm doing my best position, staying flat. Don't be worried about the big belly accounts. They're going to be $10,000 in profit by the end of the day. You want to ask me on Monday what happened. You want to ask me on Monday what happened. And you will see $10,000 profit. By the way, this is how the big belly accounts are looking. I'm going to test out along here, guys. It's not going to be easy. I guess I'm going to be a little too early. The next candle, probably I'm going to test out along the next candle. But in the meantime, you want to see what's happening with the big belly accounts. 28 grand down. 29. And I'm looking forward to having this one on profit. But in the meantime, we're going to try to go 3 for 3. I don't want the bulls see that strong reaction here. Can we take this a little lower so I can long it? No? I'm landing a little long. It's the third, guys. We might be buying the top of that candle. Oh. I'm in a rush. We got to do the giveaways. Not the best entry, I can tell you. I would have bought a little lower than 211. Something around the 200s or maybe even slightly lower than that. Not the best entry here. Look at that. It's weak. It's weak so far. So far. I sold 1,000 profit. Ho, ho, ho. Even with a weak entry, you get that. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so time for the giveaways. Time for the giveaways. And we're going to try to trade this thing in the meantime. So we're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. For those of you that are wondering what's the PNL and the max drawdown and all the stuff, right, for those accounts that are having a negative PNL trade, this is the account, right? So this is an account from Lucid. At some point they had a promotion, 400k sizing, 400k sizing. We got the 400k sizing and we're a little bit down right now, as you see, below our initial balance. That's the situation with that account. With those accounts, there are two accounts in that shape. Oh, beautiful. It was not a bad day. We had the payouts on Blusky. We lost a few evaluations of 50k, but we have to give something back. How else are you guys expecting to be paid to make money from props if we are not losing something? You're not seeing me every other day losing evaluations. So don't be sorry for these things. That's the link to sign up for the giveaways. Everyone sign up for the giveaways. Thank you. Have fun. Enjoy. 500k. At some point it was 500k, but... Enjoy your day. Let me see if I should push for a long. It's a little too early, I guess. I guess it's for my third. No, I'm going to risk it. 4 minis. I'm going to risk it, guys. 4 minis on my third. Are we going 3 for 3? Are we going 3 for 3, guys? Look at that. Are we going 3 for 3 is my question. I am out here. 4,560. We're 3 for 3, guys. There you go. 3 for 3. That's game over. That proves it all. That proves it all. That random clicking is functioning. That proves it all, guys. 3 for 3. It's 3 for 3. Nah. It's game over. It's game over. It's game over, guys. Let's do something else. Let's, you know, stop trading. It's over. Game over. Time for the giveaways. Oh my gosh. Oh, the fireworks. Boom. 3 for 3. Continuing on Monday with this ones. Minimum 1 funded. Can I have on Monday minimum 1 funded? That's going to be 3%. 33. 33. Only, I mean, minimum one funded on Monday from this 3 for 3. Minimum one funded. 33%. Because then we have daily payouts. And you're spending $700 on these 3 accounts, but you have daily payouts. You can take that money back in your first day. Good stuff, guys. So, time to land the giveaways. Because of the achievement we had today, I'm going to do an extra Lucid. I'm going to do an extra Lucid giveaway for you guys. Come on. Say, everyone in the chat, extra, extra. I'm going to do an extra giveaway because of this with Lucid. Because of this. So everyone in the chat say extra. Extra. Oh, what's happening, guys? With let me get out of that. Should get out. The big belly is running a good time. Look at that. It's already in profit 3,000, right? It was about 30 plus. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna still leave this one open. Alright, guys, so let's focus. Focus. What do I have to do? Yeah, I'm selling this. I'm selling everything here. Boom. 8,700 on this one. 8,400 on this one. I'm going to continue trading. But we recovered strongly. Yeah, 36 unrealized plus the realized. Plus the realized. So I think it was about 48, 50, something like that. Alright, chat, so let's go for the ducks. And we're gonna start off with the 2 Lucid giveaway. One is the traditional, and then we're gonna do the extra. Right? We're gonna start off with 2 Lucid accounts. And I'll give you bonus for possibility to have 3 Lucid accounts today in the giveaway. Oh my gosh. This is so heavy on me. Listen up, chat. You want to stop writing. You want to stop writing. You want to stop writing and get ready. How you participate? Well, you fill up the form as usually. You fill up the form and you're having a good time. Then you like the video, guys. Absolutely mandatory to participate. Absolutely mandatory. Be subscribed to this freaking YouTube channel. Yes. Pending. Exactly. Tech Fitness. Maybe you should stop your other YouTube accounts. You should stop your other Discord accounts. You should stop running duplicate accounts and requesting giveaways and stuff like that. You should chill out with fake and scams. Maybe. Tech Fitness. Maybe. So join the Discord, the last thing. Like, subscribe, join Discord plus the formula. That's the thing. Everyone, you want to stop writing the extra. You want to stop writing the extra. Oh yeah. And get ready. You got to guess the number. Only a online hub. Online hub. One more extra and you get timed out. Like the referee. Oh my gosh. So listen up, guys. So 00, 11, and that's it. You can start right now. 00, 11. Start right now. 2 Lucid accounts plus 1 more as a bonus if we hit that bonus, which depends on you. But keep in mind, the bonus not only needs to be hit, but also protected. So it's not just about hitting the bonus, you gotta keep it too. Oh, massive trading today, massive. The next giveaway we're doing will have all the accounts that we're doing today. So it's going to be this giveaway and one more. Because I no longer have time to do many rounds. Alright guys, stop right there. Stop right there. Beautiful. Plus one more 50k bonus. I'll give you 2 flexes plus one more 50k flex. So 3 flexes possibility. And I'll have 2 entries with the bonus, guys. 2 entries with the bonus. Look at that one, guys. Look at that one. This is huge. Oh, you're watching the wrong screen. Oh my gosh, you're watching the wrong screen, guys. There you go. It's gonna be the red. It's gonna be the red bonus. And you have 3 accounts of Lucid. If you keep this one, it is the red bonus. It is the red bonus. You guys are driving me bankrupt with these things. If I have no accounts starting by Monday to trade, but I told you, and you know the name of the game. You gotta keep this bonuses in a way of protecting these bonuses, right? Right? So you got the 2 accounts, that's base hit, plus the bonus. Now the thing is, not to lose the bonus in the next wheel. Very important not to lose your bonus. If you keep it, then you deserve it. We're gonna have, instead of the plus, a minus. Let's go, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck. Best of luck, guys. Come on. Keep that bonus. Keep that bonus, guys. Come on, keep that bonus. Keep that bonus. Is it the number 1 on blue? Oh. Is it the number 1 on blue? No way. Oh my gosh. The bonus has been lost, guys. Minus the bonus. The bonus has been lost. So you're remaining with a 0011. Shuffle, we're good to go. Best of luck. You've lost your bonus. Nah. It's gonna be number 1. Congratulations. You know it's number 1. Congratulations. It is. I'm 100% sure this is number 1, guys. There you go. Congratulations. It's number 1. Good job for the winners. Good job right there. All right, so let's have those numbers. Badger is not here today. You had an opportunity to have 3 Lucid accounts. We got a ton of winners. 74. 30 seconds competition time, guys. Start right there. Best of luck. Top 2 will win. Online hub is going to be timed out. He's spamming. Run B. Oh, Run B. And Yankee. Oh, look at that. Oops. There you go. Run B and Yankee. Zill on the third. Well, you wish someone didn't fill out the form. Let's see. Congratulations for the winners. Run B. Did you fill up? Yes, Run B is confirmed. Yankee. Yes. Both. Congratulations, both. Congratulations. So you got the Lucid accounts. Congratulations. Continuing, guys, to the last giveaway. We're sharing a ton of accounts here in this one. So listen up, listen up. We're sharing a ton of accounts in this one. Listen up. 350,000 Blue Sky. And that's obviously for the top 3. Then, 25,000 Elite Daily. Tap on Futures. 25,000 FundedSeat. Flex. 50k YRM. So we're sharing 6 accounts in this one. 6 accounts in this one. Oh, wait for the numbers. Do not start yet. Do not start yet. Wait for the numbers. Wait. Yeah, we're doing this daily. We're usually doing 7 accounts per day, 5 times a week, 35 accounts minimum per week. 35 times 4 weeks. 140 accounts per month. And quite a few of them are extremely valuable. If not all. So, listen up, guys. Listen up. We're going to have a single 7 and a single 8. You can start right now. You can start right now. Let me know, guys. Let me know your best choice. A single 7, a single 8. We have users going with 0 and 1. Imagine the amount of bots running behind those accounts that are guessing number 1, guessing zeros, guessing extra, guessing whatever is not here. Wow. Guessing both numbers, right? I mean, some believe they cracked the code by guessing both numbers, and I am so silly that I couldn't wrap my head around it. Wow. This is big stuff, guys. Look at that. Irfan. Irfan is going both numbers, and he's also running spam. Oh. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Alright, guys, so you want to stop right there. Stop right there. Game over. Wow. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Yes, he's just multiple times coming. He's not a bot. But he's gonna become a bot by being timed out. A few minutes, just as long as losing the giveaway opportunity. Oh, here we are. Yeah, they always say sorry, sir. I think that's gonna be what? Number 8? Do you agree with me for number 8? Otherwise, I have access to the paddle and I can tweak that. Or I can refresh the page. Do this kind of things. Congratulations, winners, for number 8. You got this. We're having a ton of accounts here. Or a ton of accounts, actually 6 accounts. "30 seconds competition time. Top 6 is winning. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Top 6. Top 6 is winning. Congratulations, everyone. Tony. Oh, Tony, random trader. Well, yes. And first, SBB and Litter BC. Mr. Knifeart on the 7th. He's hunting for one of you not filling up the form. He's hunting Mr. Knife. He's a guy with a limit order, right? Waiting for the price action. He's the guy, he's not doing market order, that's why he's there, waiting with his limit orders. You said it today, Mr. Knifeart. No rush, no worries. My order didn't fill, I'm gonna wait. Now, the same thing happens here, you gotta wait. Oh. So look at that, Tony. Are you here for the top, for the blue sky? Tony, yes. Tony here for the blue sky. A random trader for the blue sky. Yes, yes, yes. Well, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So you guys are with the blue sky. And first, tap on futures. Elite daily 25,000. Yes, congratulations. SBB. Yes, congratulations for FundedSeat Flex and Litter for the YRM. Litter BC for the YRM. Congratulations. Congratulations, buddy. Yes, YRM for the last one on the 6th. YRM. Congratulations once again, guys. Everyone. Each and one of you. Have you done a great job. Thank you once again. Sure. Sure, guys. Have a beautiful weekend. Take your time and enjoy. We're continuing on Monday, heavily. We're gonna heavily blast on Monday. And it's gonna be a new month. Oh yeah. What is it? August. All the best.